We've got upper 70s along the east coast of our state. We have upper 70s in Tampa, lower 80s in St. Pete. We are starting off very similar to yesterday. We're going to be exactly where we were yesterday by having just about a 10% rain chance. That's it for today. And really a 10 to 20% rain chance for tomorrow. So the first couple days of this week, the rain chances are really low. And we need that because we may get a lot of rain later this week, depending upon what happens with our tropical system. Now, this morning, there is a solid 70 to 90% chance that this is going to develop. This is going to become a tropical depression, a named storm, and it will likely work its way up into being a hurricane. You see all this convection on the eastern side of where a center is trying to develop. You can kind of see it trying to develop here. May take another day or so for this to happen, and then it starts to get pulled northward. So there are some answers this morning, but there are still a lot more questions. We definitely favorable conditions for strengthening, especially as it moves into the Gulf initially. And many of the computer models are turning this into a major hurricane in the Gulf. Now, with that said, it's the exact track which will determine the impacts the closer it comes to the west coast of Florida. You know, most of the models are making a sort of a panhandle type, not a panhandle, more like the Big Bend area type of a landfall on Thursday. But I want to show you one thing. Notice nothing in the western Gulf. As this develops, it is going to be pulled into the northeastern Gulf. So let's take the European model, the American model, let's take the Fox model, let's just kind of put them all together, okay? All three of them bring them right through the Yucatan Channel, which is some of the warmest, deepest water that we could possibly have. And then they all just ever so slowly kind of bring it up by Thursday night into the Big Bend area. A shift of 50 miles would make a huge difference for the west coast of Florida. So we are going to get impacts. Those impacts will be felt Wednesday, late Wednesday, and pretty much all day Thursday around here. So plan accordingly there. First couple of days this week will be dry. They will be quiet. It'll just be hot. And then we'll keep fine-tuning this as it develops and works its way into the Gulf. But again, yes, we will get some impacts along the west coast of Florida Wednesday and then going into Thursday as well. What those impacts will be, we're going to have to fine-tune those over the next 24 to 36 hours for you. So at least some questions are answered. We're going to have a tropical system in the eastern Gulf. Where it makes landfall, how strong it's going to get, that we're still going to have to fine-tune over the next couple of days, okay?